Hi, this is Resilient Kent Lau. Now in this video, I'll share with you Excel for strategic HR. Now what is called strategic HR is based on the model of talent management. The talent management spells out that there are 5 stages. There's a strategic recruitment from the recruitment and until what's next, right? Is engaging performance. What's next is compensation alignment, career development, and finally succession planning. Okay, so how do you do that, right? I I I'm an Excel trainer. I all the time teach Excel technique, but my my mind become changed because I met a HR leader by the name of Mr. Lawrence Yap. Okay, he first taught me what is something about greater than the this Excel is that Excel can use it for HR planning, and I began to expose to that. Oh, actually, Excel is not just to use for calculating hours of work in the persons, right? Why do we do what we do, right? Excel can use it for this thing, right? So now let's just show you how to turn this one to here. Right? Now it's a skill, yeah. It's a technique in using PowerPoint. Okay. So how do you turn this into this, right? Is that you right click, change color to Smart Art, and choose this item, and you go to the Smart Art, and you change it to this one here, beautiful. Then go here, change it to a color. That's beautiful. And do this, and finally increase the size. That is really beautiful, right? All right. So that is a strategic tools that you can have, right? It's called talent management tools, right? The HR manager role is supposed to be more into strategic, move into strategic rather than calculate the numbers, the number of hours that the worker work, right? Or issuing warning letter, right? That is something that is not supposed to be the HR job or the talents management team to do, right? This is not their job. Their job is instead of issue warning letter, they issue promotion letter, they issue encouragement, they issue love letter, right? So now let's talk about that. In Excel, right, we have tools that is called the Iconset. So why is this Iconset? What is this traffic light? Let me just show you what it means. That okay, over here, the skills and the strategic mind for strategic HR is that we have this green color, anything above 120,000 is green, anything below between the 100,000 and 120,000 should be in yellow, and anything below 100,000 is in red. So this are here, right? You can see that the tomato is in yellow because it's in between the 100,000 and 120,000, right? And the potato is 128,000 and 131,000. So what do you see, right? From here, you see that potato is that it consistently perform, right? Consistently 128,000. On the other hand, that durian 56,000 in 2020, 2021 become 30,000. So what do you do with this stuff, right? What do you do with this low performer, so-called being labeled as low performer? Should we send a warning letter, right? Or what? You are the strategy HR. Please advise me. Now let's go to how do you do that, right? How do I do this Iconset, right? Just clear the rules, clear the entire sheet. So the first thing is that we highlight the cell that we want to put traffic light, right? So go here and then go to this one. Okay, so write this thing and then go to that and then change manage rules and go to any rules. And we have done that. Iconset is press right, and then here we change it to numbers. And over here we change it to 20,000. Right, matching this chart, you see there's a chart above 20. So above, if you want to inclusive 120,000, you use greater or equal. If not, you use greater. Okay, so I just include put the 100,000, and here change it to number, and here change to 100,000. Right, and that's it. Click OK, apply, and OK. So now you can see that tomato is reflecting the change, right? See that? 115,000, 116,000, and that is how you use KPI, right? How to use Iconset as a KPI, as easier to highlight who are the high performer and who are the low performer, and so the average performer. Okay, so with that, I want to thank you for watching this video, and God bless you. Jesus love you.